Yeah, it's got it. We just need to turn it. Can we turn it, Chris?
I'm gonna wait till it wants to eat because it's still,
This is not Lola, you guys. This is Hunter. Hunter, this is my camera.
Hunter, baby boy.
Mika, just to let you guys know, he's done.
Yeah.
A long time ago. First week we had him, we got rid of him. To a better owner, but yeah, so we had this dog since
It's cousin
And
Isaac's dog.
yeah, Isaac Simar. So if you guys look up Isaac Simar on YouTube, I bet he has some wrestling.
Yeah, for sure.
But this is his name's Hunter. Hey Hunter.
What? Did you use it all? I was gonna get some in all
I
these.
think it got. It's in there, but it's mishandled.
What about this?
Well, that's good too, but I kind of like the other stuff on that.
Hunter, I don't know what else it is.
oh, chill out, white girl.
There's pop in the fridge. Here, if you want some food. You know we have.
Hunter, you want some food?
Oh, here.
He wants people food.
Hang on.
People food's not good for.
Yeah, well, she will clean it.
Yeah, so I actually I grabbed that in the back. I'm thinking she's Sprite Zero because I had some in stock.
Oh yeah.
And some Coke Zero.
Hang on.
I know Faygo's really there. Found out we might be using here now.
Oh, bro, what? You guys will be seeing a other video of me snow plowing or snow blowing. Horrendous weather out in Minnesota, folks. Day 3 at Dad's. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Hunter. Hey. Hey, bud. Hunter. I really like this dog. Honestly, I do. One thing I don't like about him, he doesn't listen very first time. But if I tell him, hey Hunter, come here. Hunter! See, he's distracted. He's not gonna come over by me. But if he's not, he's gonna come. Come on, bud. Hey, Hunter, 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 look it. Hunter. Okay.